Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. Do you want to change your Facebook page name? Then you have come to the right video. I'm going to show you how to change the Facebook page name. First of all, you have to open Facebook app from your mobile phone. After opening Facebook app, you have to click on your profile picture. Here you can access all the settings of your Facebook profile. You have to click on pages. Here you can see all the pages you manage. Switch to a page you want to change the name. For example, I want to change the name of this page. Click on switch now. Now we have switched to that page. Click on three lines at top right. Scroll down and click on settings and privacy. Now go to settings. Now to access all page settings, you have to click on page settings option. Click on name. Here you can change the name of your Facebook page. Keep in mind, if you change the Facebook page name, you will not be able to change it again for the next 7 days. Let's change the page name. For example, we change it from Memestance to Memes and click on review changes. Here you have to enter your Facebook password to save changes. Make sure you have entered the correct password and then click on save changes button. This is the easy and simple way to change your Facebook page name. Like and share this video if it works well for you. Also subscribe Let Me Guide channel to get more problem solving videos. Thank you.